Hey everyone, welcome to King Easy English with Katie. Do you know how to take a Grab or Uber when you travel abroad? In today's lesson, you'll hear a friendly chat between a tourist and her driver.
You'll learn useful expressions for rideshare apps, safety tips, and easy small talk.
Let's hop in the car and practice English on the go.
Hi, are you my Grab driver?
Yeah, that's me. Heading to the hotel?
Yes, the Grand Palace Hotel, please.
Got it. Let me put your bag in the trunk.
Oh, thank you so much.
No problem. Hop in.
Wow, the car is so clean.
Thanks. I try to keep it nice.
Is it far to the hotel?
About 20 minutes, depending on traffic.
Oh, that's not bad at all.
Yeah. Is this your first time here?
Yes, my first time in this country.
Nice. Welcome then.
Thank you. I'm really excited.
So, what brings you here? Vacation?
Yes, a week-long trip with friends.
Oh, nice. How many friends?
Just 2. They're already at the hotel.
Got it. You came on a different flight.
Yeah, mine was delayed 2 hours.
Oh man, that's rough.
I know. I was so tired at the airport.
At least you're here now.
That's true. So is traffic usually bad here?
It depends on the time. Rush hour is crazy.
Oh, really? Is it rush hour now?
Not yet. We should be fine.
That's a relief.
Yeah, lucky timing.
By the way, can you recommend any good food?
Oh, definitely. Try the street food market.
Sounds amazing. Where is it?
It's near your hotel, actually. Walking distance.
Oh, that's so convenient.
Yeah, you'll love it. The noodles are the best.
I love noodles. Any specific place?
There's a stall with a red sign. Can't miss it.
Great. I'll definitely try that.
You won't regret it.
What about places to visit? Any recommendations?
The old temple is a must-see.
Oh, I saw pictures online. It looks beautiful.
It's even better in person.
Really? I can't wait.
Go early morning, though. Less crowded.
Good tip. Thanks for that.
No worries. That's what drivers are for.
Do you drive Grab full-time?
Yeah, about 3 years now.
Wow, that's a while. Do you enjoy it?
Honestly, yeah. I meet interesting people.
Aw, that's so nice.
Some passengers share cool travel stories.
I bet. You must hear a lot.
Yeah, it never gets boring.
That's great. Oh, is that a temple over there?
Yeah, that's a small local one.
It's so pretty. The colors are amazing.
Wait till you see the big one.
I'm so excited now.
By the way, do you have data on your phone?
Not yet. Should I get a SIM card?
Yeah, there's a shop near your hotel, too.
Oh, perfect. Everything is near the hotel.
That area is great for tourists.
Sounds like we picked a good hotel.
Definitely. Your friends chose well.
Actually, I picked the hotel. I did all the research.
Oh, nice. You did a great job then.
Thanks. I spent weeks planning this trip.
That's smart. Planning makes a big difference.
I agree. Oh, is the traffic getting heavier?
A little bit, but we're almost there.
Oh, great. That was fast.
Yeah, we got lucky with traffic today.
Do you have any tips for taking Grab here?
Always check the plate number before getting in.
Oh, right. That's important for safety.
And share your ride with your friends.
That's a really good tip. I'll do that.
Better safe than sorry.
Absolutely. You're so helpful.
I try. Oh, one more thing.
What is it?
Try to have small cash. Some places don't take cards.
Oh no, I only have big bills right now.
You can break them at any convenience store.
That's so useful to know. Thank you.
Sure, almost at the hotel now.
Wow, I can see it. It looks really nice.
Yeah, it's a popular hotel. Good reviews.
That makes me even more excited.
You're going to have a great time.
I think so too. Oh, we're here.
Yep, let me get your bag from the trunk.
Thank you so much. You're the best driver.
Huh, thanks. That means a lot.
Seriously, you gave me so many tips.
Just doing my job. Here's your bag.
Oh, should I give you a good rating?
Huh, that'd be nice. 5 stars?
Definitely 5 stars. You deserve it.
Thanks. Enjoy your trip. And try the noodles.
I will. The red sign stall, right?
That's the one. You'll love it.
All right. Thank you again. Bye.
Bye. Have a great vacation.
Hello again, everyone. So glad you're here. Have you ever seen a movie trailer that gave you chills?
In this chat, two friends get super excited about a new film.
You'll learn awesome phrases to share your excitement. Let's check it out.
Oh my gosh, you have to see this.
What's going on?
I just found the best trailer ever.
Really? Which movie?
The new Chris Nolan movie.
Oh, nice. I heard about that.
The trailer looks so amazing.
Yeah? Show me.
Here, look at my phone.
Okay, let me see.
Wait, I need to find it.
Sure, take your time.
Okay, here, press play.
Whoa, that looks intense already.
Right? The music is incredible.
Seriously, that gave me chills.
It gave me chills too.
Who's in this movie?
Emma Stone and Tom Hardy.
Oh man, Tom Hardy is great.
I know. I love him so much.
He never disappoints.
And Emma Stone is perfect for this.
Yeah, she's a great actress.
Did you see the explosion part?
Yeah, that was wild.
The special effects look so real.
True. The CGI looks really good.
I watched the trailer 5 times already.
Huh, 5 times. You're obsessed.
I can't help it. It's so good.
Yeah, I get it. It does look cool.
When do you think it comes out?
I think next month, around the 15th.
Oh, that's not far away at all.
Yeah, that's pretty soon, actually.
I can't wait for opening day.
Same here. Opening day is always fun.
Should we go watch it together?
Definitely. I'm in.
We should book tickets early.
Good idea. They sell out fast.
Do you think it's about time travel?
It looked like it.
That scene with the clock was so cool.
Which one? The big clock tower?
Yes, when everything just stopped.
Oh yeah, that was creepy.
It reminded me of Interstellar.
Really? I thought more like Inception.
Maybe a mix of both.
Yeah, that makes sense.
But this one looks even better.
Whoa, that's a bold thing to say.
I'm serious. The visuals are incredible.
Okay, the visuals are pretty amazing.
See? Even you can't deny it.
Fine. I admit it looks amazing.
Did you notice the ending part?
The part where she disappears?
Yes, that was so mysterious.
Yeah, I wonder where she went.
I think she went to another dimension.
That would actually make sense.
Right? There was a portal in the sky.
Oh yeah, good catch. I missed that.
I read the comments about it too.
What did people say?
Everyone is so excited about this movie.
Nice. That's always a good sign.
Some people think there's a twist ending.
Oh, Nolan always has a twist.
That's what makes his movies so great.
Yeah, I totally agree.
I wonder what the twist will be.
No idea. That's the fun part, right?
So, Opening day. We're going?
For sure. I'll mark my calendar.
We should get popcorn and everything.
Obviously. Can't watch without popcorn.
This is going to be so fun.
Yeah, I'm actually really excited now.
See? I told you it was amazing.
Ha, you were right. I can't wait.
I'm going to watch it one more time.
Seriously? That's like the 10th time.
I don't care. It's that good.
Huh, okay. Send me the link too.